Get a feel for the 2014 Honda Civic. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Energize your daily drive in this sleek Civic Coupe. Its sophisticated style, thrilling performance, and state-of-the-art safety and connectivity tech will make you rediscover the fun of the open road. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Scenic route or daily commute, driving never felt so good. Test drive the Honda Civic Coupe today.